Hello, I'm Avery. This is Online Income Network. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can hide your subscriber account on YouTube. Then I'm going to be asking you if it's a good idea to hide your subscriber account. But first things first, so let's go ahead and get started. On this channel's homepage, right under the channel name, you can see that it says no subscribers. So what I want to do is go up to the channel's profile picture at the top right, and in that menu, go to Create a Studio. From here, the only thing I need to do is go into settings, and then from settings, go into channel, and then go to advanced settings and scroll down, and I'll be able to see subscriber count. You can see that it's checked, and all I have to do is uncheck it. I'll click save, and now I'm going to go back and check the channel's homepage. So going back up to the top right, opening up that menu, I'm gonna go to your channel. And you can see back on that channel's homepage, the subscription count is gone. Now that you know how to hide your subscriber account, should you? There are reasons on both sides why you would and why you wouldn't. So let's take one reason from both sides and start with that. Reason why you would want to hide it, and the reason that you're probably already looking at this video, is the fact that you don't want to be looked at as some type of novice. You don't want to be looked at as a beginner. Or just the simple fact that some people, when they look at subscriber counts, they're just going to automatically write you off as a bad channel. And you don't want that, especially if you're somebody that's making good content already. On the other hand, the reason that you want to keep your subscriber count seen is the fact that you got some people that gravitate towards that. And you can utilize that in your strategy to help you get more people. Like, hey, I only got 100 subscribers. Hey, help me get to 500. You put that in your videos. And that works, because I've seen people do that a lot. Even big YouTubers, they do that. Like, hey, we're at 70,000. Help us get to 100,000 subscribers. Now, what you could do is hide your channel until you get to a certain point, let's say 500 subscribers, and then utilize the strategy of, hey, I'm at 500 subscribers. Help me get to 1,000. People do that all the time too. More than likely, I'm going to end up doing that myself at some point in time. Right now, my subscriber count's still hidden. I was at first going to unhide it at 1,000, but then I got to 1,000, and then I was like, I still want to wait. Now, I'm kind of thinking about doing like 9,000. And when I get to 9,000, asking people, hey, help me get to 10,000, something like that. So I'll figure it out. But here's another question. Since you are watching this video, I think it's safe to assume that you're going to hide your subscription count. So at what point are you going to unhide it? Are you going to unhide it at 100 subscribers, 500, 1,000, 10,000? Let me know in the comment section below. So hopefully you liked this video, and if you did, why don't you go ahead, like, subscribe, share with a friend, click the bell notification so you can get notified when new videos come out from me, because I make new videos every week. Also check out the YouTube help desk. It's a playlist where I make YouTube tips just like this one here. Also check out my new Facebook group called YouTube Spotlight. It's where small YouTubers or big YouTubers can go and share their work, also comment on other people's work, and just ultimately grow as a community. If you're interested in that, check out that in the comment section. And once again, thanks for watching.